Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable latest OxygenOS 16 lock screen on your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, before start, first disable your system lock screen. Simply tap and disable your system lock screen like this. Tap on done and look at this, my system lock screen has disabled. Now download this app on your Galaxy device. This app download link available on description and this app absolutely free. After download, simply tap and open. After open, simply tap and allow and look at these many beautiful depth categories on your screen. Simply tap on view all. After tap on view all, look at these all categories. Now guys, look at this nature, cute, many beautiful categories. Now simply select any one wallpaper. Look at this. Now simply tap on edit option. Guys, I review in previous videos many of beautiful depth clock wallpapers, but most important thing about this app, you set one by one depth layer on your clock like OxygenOS 16. Now let me show you all customized options. First, look at this depth layering. Simply tap. Look at this OxygenOS 16 style clock depth layer set on clock. Look at this. Now you also set clock position like this. Now tap on time style. You also select clock style, many beautiful clock fonts and font size. Now simply tap on effect. Look at this, you also set shadow effect like this. Tap on color. Guys, you also set separate clock color, one by one clock color. Look at this, you also set gradient angle like this. Look at this clock gradient color. Now tap on transform. You also rotate clock, set vertical stretch, horizontal stretch, skew. Look at this, you also set 3D effect like this. Every customization options available on this app. Tap on date. You also set date, font, position, size, complete like this. After set all setting, simply tap on apply and look at this clock animation. Simply tap on set wallpaper, home screen and lock screen, or you also set only on lock screen. This time I set home screen and lock screen wallpaper. Now look at this beautiful OxygenOS 16 lock screen enable on your Galaxy device. Okay, let me show you another lock screen. Simply go back and tap on nature and look at this OxygenOS 16 mountain. Simply tap on edit. Now first tap on time style. Set this clock style. Now set this font and simply increase font size 100%. Now letter spacing 0, tap on general and set depth layering like this. Now tap on effect, tap on shadow, select shadow and remember select black color on shadow. Look at this. Now tap on date and select date. Select date rotation 0 and set date like this or upside like this. Now simply tap on apply and look at this OxygenOS 16 mountain wallpaper with depth effect also apply on your Galaxy device. Okay, let me show you last vertical clock. Simply tap on anime. Now look at this. Tap on edit. First, tap on time style and select vertical clock like this. Look at this. Select this vertical clock. Now tap on general. First set clock position. Now tap on time style and increase font size like this. Set 100% clock font size. Tap on general, set clock position like this. Now set depth layer. Look at this. Tap on date. Set date rotation 0. Now look at this OxygenOS 16 vertical clock also apply on your Galaxy device. Simply tap on apply and look at this beautiful vertical clock also enable on your Galaxy device. Guys, no matter N series, S series or F series, you set these OxygenOS 16 style clocks on your any Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.